East Sepik Province, a vast expanse of lowland tropical rainforest. Grass airstrip servicing Karawari River Lodge. Pilot Sam Watson delivers supplies and tourists to the lodge. Pontoon boats safely ferry you to the lodge and excursions along the river. Relax and have a cold drink among Sepik artifacts during the heat of the day. Accommodation on the ridge takes advantage of cool breezes. Sun rises on the Karawari as we head down for an early start for the 12-wired bird of paradise. Early morning mist at the display tree. This bird of paradise displays early in the morning to seduce a female before heading off to feed. Usually seen at the runway. From the behavior of the adults, a male feeds a recently fledged chick. Dusky lorries socializing. A variety of birds seen on the river excursions. Locals travel on the river as they have for centuries. Elvis, my bird guide, keeps searching for birds with incredible hearing and sight. One day I had the experience of using a canoe carved from an ancient tree, powered by an outboard motor. Rainforest is not easy to negotiate, but was necessary to find Edward's Fig Parrot. Elvis managed to find a window through the understory to see the nest tree. I have always had a passion for parrots, and this fig parrot was the first on my list in this region. Please note the female fig parrot on the bottom left-hand side on an adjacent limb. There were at least 5 Edward's fig parrots nesting in this tree. We were extremely fortunate to see this large pigeon. At the end of a rewarding day, it is great to relax and have a delicious meal in the dining area. More of the wonderful bird life to be seen at Karawari. At least 6 red-cheeked parrots were feeding on the coconut flowers. Seen from the observation deck at Karawari Lodge in the late evening. This large forest giant harboured white-bellied sea eagle, Edward's fig parrots, eclectus, shining starlings, rainbow lorikeets and sulphur-crested cockatoos. The wing noise generated by the flapping of these beautiful hornbills alert you to their presence. One of the most striking parrots, the palm cockatoo. Bob Bates, a legend for ecotourism in PNG, is the managing director of Karawari and 5 other lodges.